In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Display and Brightness available here. Now scroll all the way down, click on Font Settings and operate this slider to adjust your font size. You can check out Preview at the top. When you finished, go back and your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!